petitioner and respondent number 1 to 6 are the real brother and sisters.
तो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं मेरे को ये बोले कि वो भगवान की भजन में रहते हैं तो वो पागल हो गए हैं, विकृत हो गए हैं। वो कोर्ट ने मान भी लिया, उस एक 110 के एप्लीकेशन अलाउ कर दिए, जबकि माय लॉर्ड मैं बिल्कुल स्वतंत्र हूँ और सही मूड में हूँ। अब बिना मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट के ट्रायल कोर्ट ने मान लिया है कि मैं पागल हूँ।
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, the petitioner is crestfallen by the impugned order dated 4/8/2025, which is annexed herewith as Annexure A9, which is passed by the learned civil judge, Junior Division, Nagaur, District Satna, which allowed the application dated 5/5/2025 of the respondent number 8 to 15, which allowed them to as defendant number 8 to 15 in RCS A 42 of
110 allowed. 110 allowed.
Yes, sir.
Who has been impleted?
The respondent number 8 to 15, who are the legal heir of respondent number 1.
What is wrong, madam?
Sir, the petitioner and respondent number 1 to 6 are the real brother and sisters. And sir, the father of petitioner and respondent numbers, the father of petitioner and respondent number 1, 2, 3, while the respondent number 1, 2, 3 were minor and the petitioner was unborn on.
Son of Ram Sahib Pathak.
माय लॉर्ड,
Yes, sir.
Ram Sahib Pathak is party, no.
सर जब प्रहलाद पाठक अनबॉर्न थे और सर जो रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1 to 3 जो हैं राजेंद्र प्रसाद वाल्मीकि पाठक एंड बालमुकुंद पाठक और जो उनके पिता हैं
अच्छा, आप बताइए आप कौन हैं? आप वादी
सर
हैं?
प्रहलाद पाठक।
आपके प्लेंटिफ में वादी हैं आप?
जी सर।
आपके फादर का नाम क्या? राम साहेब पाठक।
जी सर। सर जब राम साहेब पाठक, राजेंद्र पाठक, वाल्मीकि पाठक, बालमुकुंद पाठक, जब तीनों जो राजेंद्र पाठक, वाल्मीकि पाठक, बालमुकुंद पाठक जब भी माइनर थे और राम साहेब पाठक, इन्होंने सर 21/6/1976 को सर रजिस्टर्ड पार्टीशन डीड से सर ये लोग पार्टीशन में एंटर हुए, जो कि एनेक्जर A1 है। सर देयर आफ्टर
जब आपका बर्थ नहीं हुआ था?
जी सर, अनबॉर्न थे। सर देयर आफ्टर सर ऑन सर 7/1/2016 को क्या हुआ सर, जो विल से जो एक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी हुई थी सर जो फादर के पास, राम साहेब पाठक जी के पास, सर उन्होंने बिक्वेथ कर दी थी पेटिशनर को, प्रहलाद पाठक को। तो उसके बाद सर प्रहलाद पाठक ने सूट इंस्टीट्यूट करा RCS 42 of 2025 फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ टाइटल ऑफ ओनरशिप इन हिज फेवर। यस सर, which is the copy of plaintiff is annexed as Annexure A4.
ठीक है।
Sir, thereafter and जो respondent number 1 to 6 हैं, जो real brother and sisters हैं प्रहलाद पाठक के, उन्होंने WS फाइल करा A5. And sir, all the brothers and sisters entered into compromise by Annexure A6.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी हो गया?
जी sir. Sir, however, respondent number 8 to 15, who are the legal heir of respondent number 1, the elder brother of Prahlad Pathak. They moved an application for addition as defendant number 8 to 15, and which was.
तो राजेंद्र प्रसाद has died?
No,
नो
he
माय
is alive.
लॉर्ड, माय लॉर्ड राजेंद्र प्रसाद की तरफ से मैं हूँ माय लॉर्ड। माय लॉर्ड जो प्रॉपर्टी थी एनेक्जर A1 से माय लॉर्ड पहले ही डिवाइड हो चुकी थी 1/4 शेयर में, 1/4 1/4 1/4, मतलब 3 बच्चे थे माय लॉर्ड और फादर मिला करके बराबर शेयर में मतलब डिवाइड हो गई
4 हिस्से हो गए
माय लॉर्ड। और माता पिता के जीवन तक माय लॉर्ड वो रहा। पिता माय लॉर्ड 2016 में अपने जो हिस्से की जो वो थी प्रॉपर्टी थी वो छोटे वाले भाई को वादी को दे दिए। उसमें मेरे को और तीनों भाई को कोई माय लॉर्ड उसमें कोई ऑब्जेक्शन आई नहीं है। मैंने राजीनामा भी फाइल किया है। तो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं मेरे को ये बोले कि वो भगवान की भजन में रहते हैं तो वो पागल हो गए हैं, विकृत हो गए हैं। वो कोर्ट ने मान भी लिया, उस एक 110 के एप्लीकेशन अलाउ कर दिए, जबकि माय लॉर्ड मैं बिल्कुल स्वतंत्र हूँ और सही मूड में हूँ। अब भाई का माय लॉर्ड हिस्सा मैं नहीं लेना चाहता अनावश्यक रूप से, ये है। अब बिना मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट के ट्रायल कोर्ट ने मान लिया है कि मैं पागल हूँ।
Sir, further A10 is the record of rights of respondent number 1 to.
ऑर्डर कौन सा है?
Sir, A9. Page number 64 to 67.
राजीनामा कौन सा है? एनेक्शर
Annexure A6.
पेज नंबर 52 मतलब
52 and 53.
अरे मैडम, ये प्रहलाद पाठक, राजेंद्र पाठक, वाल्मीकि पाठक, बालमुकुंदी, चार तो भाई हो गए,
माय लॉर्ड।
और लीला विमला ये बहनें हो गई,
जी सर.
और सरोज,
जी सर.
और सब भाई बहनों में राजीनामा हो गया।
माय लॉर्ड,
जी सर.
अगर बहनों की मतलब मैरिज हो गई तो वैसे भी उनको इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है। वो भी चाह रहे हैं कि छोटे भाई को मिल जाए, हम लोग भी चाह रहे हैं कि मिल जाए, लेकिन जो हमारे बच्चे हैं वो मतलब वो है पैतृक।
By your present petition, challenge is made to the order passed by the trial court dated. कौन सा एनेक्शर है मैडम? Order
A9 मतलब 4825।
4/8/2025, whereby the trial court has allowed application under Order 1, Rule 10 CPC for impleading parties who are the children of defendant number 1. Point. Next. A suit has been instituted by the present petitioner plaintiff on the assertion that he and the defendants number 1 to 6 are brothers and sisters. Point. There was a family partition carried out by their deceased father before the plaintiff was born, dividing the property into 4 parts, 3 to be taken by the elder 3 brothers who were defendants number 1, 2, 3, and the 4th portion went to the father. Point. After this partition took place, the present petitioner plaintiff was born, and therefore the deceased father, prior to his death, had executed a will in the year 2016 in favor of the present petitioner, giving over his portion of property to the petitioner plaintiff. Next, during pendency of the suit, it appears that better things prevailed, and all the brothers and sisters, that is plaintiff on one side and defendants number 1 to 6 on the other side, filed a compromise application before the trial court dated 28/4/2025, recognizing the share of the petitioner in the properties. Next, after this compromise was filed, an application under Order 1, Rule 10 CPC was filed by legal representatives of the defendant number 1, who is the eldest brother, सबसे बड़े आप ही,
माय लॉर्ड,
who is the eldest brother in the 7 siblings. And in the said application, it was pleaded that the defendant number 1 is not a person of sound mind, and he, in his old age, is more interested in worship of God, and sometimes he takes food in the house of the plaintiff, and under his impression he has signed the compromise, and therefore the wife and children of defendant number 1 submitted application for being impleaded as defendants in the suit. Next, the trial court has allowed this application by the impugned order on the ground that the presence of the proposed party seems to be necessary to decide the controversies arising in the matter. Next, it is very interesting fact that the defendant number 1, whose wife and children seek to be impleaded in the suit, is already alive, and before this court also, the counsel for defendant number 1 has appeared, and today it is being categorically stated by him that all the siblings have arrived at mutual compromise and they have no objection to the compromise, and the defendant number 1 does not want to grab the share of the youngest brother being plaintiff, and he is not, and he has signed the compromise with open eyes. Point. However, his wife and children are not agreeable to the compromise and are unnecessarily objecting to the compromise. Next, be that as it may be, but the fact remains that the defendant number one is still alive, and during his lifetime, his wife and children do not seem to be having a right to appear in the suit and take any stand contrary to the defendant number one. Point. They do not seem to be either a necessary party or a proper party to the suit. Point. They do not claim any independent right in the suit properties, but only claim rights through the defendant number one, who is himself contesting the suit, appearing in the suit in his own right. Contesting the suit separately. Point. Next, in view of the above, it is evident that the trial court has erred in allowing the application under Order 1 Rule 10 CPC filed by the respondents number
8 to 15.
8 to
8
15
8 to 15. Next, accordingly, the present petition is allowed and the impugned order dated 4/8/2025 is set aside.
On next.
Yes.